Thank you. So, I'm very happy to see you again, all my friends, new friends, old friends. Actually, today I have excellent translator, but some friends they want to speak me, my broken English. So therefore, no much choice, no choice. Only today. I will try, and then. So I thought then, okay, no problem, because we are Dharma friend, and we are same student of Lati Rinpoche, Holy Lamas, no? So we are same Dharma friend, so that for something mistake, no problem, right? Okay. Okay. So, and today I will talk one refuge meditation. Meditation, how to meditate for easy and short. Yep. So why we have to do Dharma? So that is question. Why we have to do Dharma? Why we follow to Dharma? It's different, We don't need to do many things. So something we do need clear. What we're doing, we have to know. How to say, we do meditation, we do reciting, what we do, we have to know what we are doing. So that is point. Something we're doing, but we don't know what is meaning, and that is problem. That is, someone asks to you, what are you doing, why are you doing? And then you know answer, then have to go more deeper. So that is point. Look today in our world, and many people, religious, don't know interesting. No interesting, no one. Many young, especially young people, they don't want what is, religious. Not only Buddhism, religious, religious, different religions. Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, many, Christian, all this. So they know. So in the world, majority people, they don't exist religious. This no need. And they say, and this is old, thought. It's a death idea. So it's gone. No need. So those people, it's okay that moment, Now you have healthy, you are young, and you are everything okay. You have job, and then one free time, why you do like this? No need to go okay, whatever you want. Movement okay. But that enjoy life is very short. Everything impermanent, right? Time. Everything what we have, our body, and we have whatever we have, everything functioning things, right? Functioning things are impermanent. Means moment to moment change. So that feeling, you remember one time someone also write me, Rinpoche, I want to come to airport to see hello, my feeling, but my logic say no. Yeah. So I'm always explain, feeling and logic. These two things are different. Feeling I want eat. Feeling say I want eat, I like chocolate, I like sweet, I like coffee, these things. This is our feeling, no? Then doctor say, no sweet. You are diabetic, no. And this is logic. This is logic. So, two things. Your feelings say, yes, I want to eat sweet. But your logic say, no. So, between you there is sometimes difficulty, yeah? Follow to logic or follow to feeling. So I say always follow to logic. Logic is more important. Logic is more important. That is important. So feeling is okay, nothing learn, nothing do, okay, something do enjoy, that is feeling good. But logic need more learning, to learn and meditate, Dharma, especially Dharma. It is important for our life, who don't have religious no exist, and they one day, then they, become old, right? And then you are retired job, just looking TV, news, and there what? Everything, there is problem, that is problem. Then it's too boring life. Yeah? And you believe something religious, and you recite, to read books, to do things. It's many things. You are quite busy. Yes, when you go to India, you see the Tibetan very old, they are it's too busy to go is around the stupa, monastery, doing so many things. It's because they believe and they want to do. It's good for exercise. It's good. So, one thing that is, not that is also main point. Main point is one day and our body have to live. And that moment, who don't have any philosophy, any religious, and they very fear. They shock, they fear. Because they think, I'm lost. So that is big problem. I'm lost, I become, my body become earth, I become earth. I lost. So that is problem. So who believe religious and who believe philosophy, and then we have hope. Yes, sometimes we have religious, also have some, we do negative and then problem negative, hell, realm, talking about this, and something looks fear. No, it is not problem that, So, we have hope. This life, okay, but next life, more than this life, better. We always have hope. Not I'm talking only Buddhism. So another religious also who believe this have hope. I'm living in Italy, but I saw around some old my friends, someone passed away, and then say they believe very strong those religious, no? So today my husband come to me to come, So they dream, husband passed away many years before, but that day she go to ready, and then that day she dream, husband come to giving. So this kind of hope. So when she dead, he's happy. He was thinking, I'm going to my family there. So it's a hope. So any kind of religious we believe, So especially Buddhism have to come back, reincarnation. Reincarnation. Yeah, reincarnation. Especially, some teachings there, what called Kusum Lamkir. One Kusum Lamkir, what called?
Bring the three bodies in the past.
Yeah.
Bringing the three bodies into the past.
So this kind of who practice, and they have choice. when you have that practice, and then you have choice for, to rebirth, which country, which family, which kind of. So, one Lama, Longdo Lama Rinpoche, okay, from Sera, okay, and he's very old. So he he want to go reincarnation Shambhala, Pure Land. He want to become Shambhala king. He doing and dedicate. So he looks very poor, very poor. One Amala says, the one Tibetan old lady, and so this Rinpoche. So, how to say, poor, is too poor monk. So I don't want this kind of life, no? And then Lama says, don't worry. This kind of life for you, very difficult. Don't worry. Yeah, he says. So looks very simple, but he inside wish. He want to rebirth Shambhala. You see? And he didn't say want to go Shambhala, but he said to his attendant, go to Penjalosang Chögyin. Penjalosang Chögyin, very Gelugpa famous, is teacher of the 5 Dalai Lama. He have clear beyond, can read others' mind. Is very famous Rinpoche from Tashilumbo. Yes, 5 Dalai Lama's teacher. Gelugpa is very famous. Penjen Lama, today, Penjen Lama, the first one. And then the attendant sent Lama one message, to become my wish or not. So this is question, message. And then Penjen Lobsang didn't say, I want to birth or something, no. So attendant say, my teacher almost passed away, but one question for you, and his wish become or not. Then understood. You understood or no? Okay. So his wish is he want to go Shambhala. So he didn't say clearly, but to ask to Penjen Rinpoche, becoming my wish or not. And then Penjen Rinpoche say, yes, become, but your wish is very big. Yeah. Your wish is very big. You see, Buddhism have hope. When we pass the end of our life, we have big hope. Big hope. This hope is not you feel better by making, not like this. It's real. It's real. It's very how this hope becoming we end of the meditation with I tell you. Okay. End of meditation I tell you how is okay. So therefore, and we are very lucky, have to realize this, this life is so difficult, this kind of opportunity. Early yesterday I told you 3 conditions. We have excellent, precious human life. So this is one thing. Every human life is a human life, but precious human life is different. That is different. Precious human life. So this is we have. Then Dharma teaching. Buddha Dharma today is very pure and very fresh. Soba. Fresh, yeah. Oh, fresh. Then also have explanation. Dharma, this the explanation. Those three things. So we have these 3 things. So therefore, so that with this opportunity, and then need to change our mind. So this is change. So when we change with Dharma, Buddha Dharma, key of mind. Key of mind. Mind cannot change any other things. Only with the Dharma. Only with the Dharma can change. So it's a Dharma means change. So with the Dharma can change. So Buddha Dharma, key of our mind. So today is time to change. We have fully, excellent key. So these three things, yourself, precious human life, and Buddha Dharma there, and then explanation have teacher. So these three things we have can change our mind. Why not change? Can. Of course, you see, our life, in our life, so many change. 3 years before, you say, yes, I do this, and today I don't like this. Isn't it changing? So this kind of, our mind every day changing, every moment changing. Of course can change, why not? One thing. Another thing, Dharma teaching is like a condition. It is condition. It's real, you have, nuba, potential. Potential. You have potential. Potential. This is the main point. This is a big hope, this one. Who have consciousness and they have potential to change.
The nature of the mind is clear and knowing. And all the stains are accidental.
Oh. That's
a very important point.
Mind means searching, clear and knowing. Clear and knowing. Clear is how to say, the nature, the nature of the mind, clear. Knowing is an activity of mind. So clear and knowing. Knowing is activity. So nature, characteristic is clear. Mind. So everyone have mind characteristic to knowing potential. Even insect, animals, they have this. So this clear, always clear, continue, never change, never ever change. That is clear. So you see, your mind like mirror. Mirror is a reflection, whatever. Sometimes have, sometimes don't have. No, forever. So your mind forever looking something. Forever. Whatever. If you sleep, you see, dreaming. Okay? If you looking, see. If you close, thinking. Something there is reflection there. Why reflection? Because there is clear. And this clear is continued in this life, next life, life to life, until enlightenment. So therefore, that way, that is a seed of our development, or that is seed of our enlightenment. That is seed of our, everything. So therefore, that is everybody have this. So, you see, we have animal have. So animals, they don't have opportunity, this quality to develop. And we have this opportunity, capacity to develop. Because we are Dharma teaching, can listen and then can meditate. And they not understand. They not understand. And this is our quality, human beings' quality. talking and listen, understanding. Talking and communicate and understanding. So that is human being's quality. So this opportunity, every human life don't have this. So only few people have. So therefore we are lucky. Okay, so we are lucky. So therefore, Dharma is important, key of mind. Okay, so today, Sanji Chetang, Soji Chonam La, Changju Parto Dani Kyapsuche. These two words is talking about refuge, mention about refuge, refuge. Dagi Chinso Jive, Sonam Ji, Dro-Phen, Sanji Drupal Shok. These two words are bodhicitta. Bodhicitta. So this 4 line coming from Atisha. So including all teachings, Buddha teaching, including there. This 4 line. So we have to know today, going to talk this because everybody know this, everybody knows. So this teaching, first who composed the Atisha, Ambi Atisha wrote. So this is every Tibetan religious, they recite this one, Giluk, Satya, Nyingma, or whatever. This one. So Atisha is 10th century, so many years ago. Someone thinking, Buddhism is 2,500 before. We are today modern society. The teachings are very old system. Why we do today? We do modern something special. Thinking that many people are telling that, when you telling. So, no need. Buddhism, not some condition of the outside. It's not facility things. Not, the Buddhism is to change mind. Only this. Guru change. Okay, to change mind. Solution of change. Mind change. So that is Buddhism. So mind, time of the Buddha, people have ignorant, attachment, anger, jealousy, and today exactly same. That time different, and after 2000, after is different. Nothing. So no need change, because change inside before and today is same. So therefore, we no need change Dharma. No one can change. 2,500 years, Buddhism, nothing changed. What before perhaps today is exactly going. Cannot change in anything force, anything power, anything, what called today famous scientists. Do nothing, scientists. Cannot, nothing. I don't know scientists, but I'm thinking scientists cannot change any Buddhism. Why? Scientist means to analyzing materials, and then they make different shape of the material, different, so they everything working on material. Okay, so Buddhism, everything on our mind. So they no common basic there. So it's completely different. So that way Buddhism continue going. Nothing, no need to change. You can change something system. Okay, you don't want to prostration. Okay, you do different prostration. It's a system you can change. But meditation, thinking mind, lojong, so these things, something system or timing or doing system can change, for, Sanji Chetang, Soji Chonam La, Sangye, Buddha, Sanji, Chetang, Dharma, Cho means group, means Sangha. Sangye, Chue Tang, Cho Ji. Chok Nam La means best, supreme object. Chok Nam La. Changju Partu, now until enlightenment. Dagni Gyopsuche, I go to for refuge. I go for refuge. Dagni Gyopsuche. Okay, so that is. So for Sangye, two different Sangye. One is conditioned Sangye, Shakyamuni Buddha, then another so many, we call many, Atisha, Tsongkhapa, Naropa, what called Telopa, so many Guru Rinpoche, so. All is a Sangye, they are Sangye. This is a condition, Sangye. It's a condition for teach. We're looking for example, and they teach to us. And this is our condition. Condition, right? Maybe good conditions, Sangye. How to say? Maybe correct word can find. Kunzop and Tendam. Conventional and ultimate. Okay, we do this word. Okay. Conventional Buddha, ultimate Buddha. Two things. Conventional means today we see, look, all these things are conventional things. Conventional things. All this, what we see, all this. So ultimate means to analyze, and then nature of the phenomena. So, this is what? Cheresi. Okay. Look. This is a cheresi, right? So, this is conventional. Okay. So, I say, what is? And you say, cheresi. And then we are believe, okay, this is cheresi. Okay? So, conventional is stop there. Okay. Ultimate means have to go more step behind. How cheresi? This is thanga. This is paper. This is color. Where is cheresi? And then you say, this is okay. Image of the cheresi. So, one step, go more. Then again, go more. So go many analyze with, go behind. And then finally, you get one point. So that is ultimate. Ultimate, when you go doctor, and they check, take blood. One drop blood on the glass. And then doctor looking, one drop here, we are looking one drop. The blood that is conventional, everything. Then after microscope, with the microscope, the doctors check, no, and then can see there is no blood, so huge, and then can find so many different things inside. So that is like ultimate. That is like ultimate. So therefore, all our phenomena, what we're looking is two things there. One is conventional, what we see is gross level. Then another one is very specific, good, detailed, no? So that is ultimate. So therefore, everything, whatever we see, everything is this two things. Two things. So that is ultimate thing. So therefore, Buddha. Tendam Sangye, conventional Buddha teach to us. Okay, this all Buddha Shakyamuni, and he get enlightenment, and then all his experience teaching to us. And then we learn this, and then we do meditation, and then Buddha himself told first to listen my teachings, and then analyze, and then you meditate, then working to continue. If not working, leave it. No? So this is Buddha. It's very special Buddha teaching. So who's teach? This is very Buddha teaching. So therefore, Tibetan Buddhism, first listen, and then contemplate, and then meditation. So that is way of the Buddhism. So Buddha is two different. One is conventional Buddha who is teaching. So the second one, ultimate Buddha, and we meditate, then we become Buddha in future. That is ultimate Buddha. So when we do refuge, both is important. You only for them, okay, you are excellent, I refuge, follow you, and your home is not right there. So one day I want to become like you. So, and you are Buddha there, and that's ultimate. After finally, and this is important. This is Mahayana way, this is more important. Because then your home is more developed, more stronger, more connection there. So this is a Buddha. So Buddha means abandon all ignorance to knowing all phenomena directly. So that is Buddha. So Buddha is shaped many different. Many different. So Buddha is, so therefore we don't know what we, in our life, how many people, how many connections. And that these people who are Buddhas, who knows? So we know only form, but the level we don't know exactly. Buddha say, and Buddha, he and like him, to know other which level. But each other don't know this. So therefore we don't know who is Buddha's emanation. Buddha emanation, who is? We don't know. So therefore, we have to know this. So Buddha, when we Namo Buddha, Namo Buddha, Sanjil Kyapsyo. Sanjil Kyapsyo, when you say Sanjil Kyapsyo, and to remember true Buddha. One condition Buddha, one is result Buddha, or ultimate Buddha. In future, your Buddha. So this is shortly. Okay. Chö, same two things. Chö is same thing. Chö. Chö means Dharma. Okay. Chö is Dharma. So, real Dharma, Buddha, Bodhisattvas who abandon the negatives, and they have two things. One is high realization, and another is those pangpa. How to say pangpa? Abandonment. Two things they have. Abandonment. It's a little difficult. What is abandonment? To know is, when you wash clothes, 2-3 times clothes, then after is, before you have mark, then you wash, its mark is gone. So there is one clean. This mark is gone. Not only gone, there is one clean. That is abandonment. Your consciousness is like cloth, and then your attachment negatives like one mark. And then you purify it is wash. Okay, wash. Then after washing, and there is clear. So that clear, okay, the cloth and clean, both together. Cloth is, material, and clean is his quality. No, so these two things we have. So this is Dharma. Buddha, Bodhisattvas, they have to, their consciousness is knowing emptiness directly. So that is high realization. And then clearness, abandonment. That is, so these two things are real Dharma. That is real Dharma. And there is also two. One is conventional, one is ultimate. Conventional, Buddha teachings today, Lama's teaching, books there, its teaching, that is kind of conventional. Okay, so, Dharma is Lung, Tokpa. One is transformation, another is realization, right? So transformation is transformation is conventional, and then high realization and this abandonment, that is ultimate. Ultimate means no need all the time in the touch to emptiness. Normally, ultimate means is about emptiness. So today, the Dharma, conventional Dharma and ultimate Dharma, two things. You see, so these two things. So ultimate Dharma, that real Buddha and Bodhisattva they have. So when we are become Buddha, Dharma, and these two things also we have there. So that is ultimate Dharma. But today we have Dharma to us. This is a similar Dharma, not real Dharma, but similar. Today we're taking bodhicitta vows, and we are doing meditations, and we have vow of the Mikichu, 10 non-virtue, non-virtue. So all these positives are Dharma, but it's not pure Dharma. Okay, this is conventional Dharma, not pure Dharma. Pure Dharma is only there. So Sangha also have two, conventional and ultimate. So we invite 4 monks, then Sangha. That is conventional Sangha, not ultimate Sangha. Conventional Sangha. You remember yesterday we talked, the Buddha, they join group and they become Sangha. And that Sangha, that Sangha is conventional Sangha. It's 4 monks together, more than 4, and then that is the Sangha. Sangha means Gaden. Gaden is Tibetan. Ge, positive, no? Virtue. Dun, aspire. Wish to get, no? So, all the ultimate, the pure Dharma wish to get. So they have to be always, monks have always this, because they have renunciation, have to practice. Monks have to be practice, men practice renunciation. The renunciation means looking something there get. So here renunciation means I don't like here, I want to be there. And there is what? Dharma. So this wish always have them. And then this kind of 4 monks, more than 4, and that is conventional Sangha. So ultimate Sangha, who abandon, who get Tonglam. Tonglam means sin path. Buddhism, Mahayana have 5 paths. Accumulation and preparation, sin path, meditation, no more learning. So this, here is sin path, have to be there. And after that, After that, you are Gindin, Sangha. No need 4, 5. Cheresi, Sangha. Tara, Sangha. Any holy being, all these holy beings, 8 Bodhisattvas, Manjushri, Sangha. Buddha, Sangha. Clear? Okay. So now, refuge, practice. Now you understood the Buddha Dharma Sangha. So, Shakyamuni Buddha, when you meditation, there is refuge, Choshing. Choshing what? Field of the refuge. That is too big, too large. So many numbers, difficult for we are talking, then thinking is difficult. And today, very easy way. Just Buddha. Imagine Buddha. Only Buddha, you imagine Buddha. So Buddha is Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Or no? Yes or no? Yeah. Not, Buddha body, Sangha. Buddha mind, Buddha. Buddha teaching, Dharma. So, Buddha is all of these three. Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. All three. Only you focus to Buddha. That is all of these three, including there. Because including you have to know. But I'm saying including, then you believe, okay, including Lama says, no. No, you earlier I explained, no. What is Dharma, Sangha, this. So Buddha is all of these three. Then okay. So focus to Buddha. Sanji, Chetan, Soji, Chonam La, Changju Partu, Dani Kirste, Changju Partu. No, not just some people doing some refuge practice when they are unhappy, when they need, when you need doing. That is not correct. Have to be when you have time, when you want, every time have to be that. Because Changju Partu means until enlightenment. Now and until enlightenment. So sometimes I do, sometimes no. Continue. Changju Partu. Dani. Who follow? Dani. Me, myself. Me. I. I have many different I. Independent I. Independent I. No. Dagni. Who doing for refuge? I. Which I? In this life, go pardo, next life, life to life, until enlightenment. Who going? That's I. That I. I. Dani Kyopsuche. I do. So, here, one different Mahayana practice, different. Me and all other sentient beings want to become enlightened. And for them, first I want to go. So this is people sometimes difficult. It's easy. For example, Corona time. All family are problem, influence. How to say? Sick, no? Okay, family sick. And then family, the father wish what? He want to liberate from that or no? Yes. And same time, his family want to be free or not? Yes, like this. That time, we are 5. Okay, example, we are one house, 5 member of the family. Okay, father and mother and 3 kids. So all this sick together. Then the families what want? I want to free. I want to liberate. I want to be better. Then same wish what? My family. Family leave it only himself. Oh, I want to be better. They don't care. No, nothing. Not this kind of mind. So me and my family want to be free. That idea, the Mayana refuge. Okay. So our family, all sentient beings, in the samsara beings, me and all want to be free from this sickness, ignorant sickness, ignorant. Oh, then all this sickness, I want to be free. So, Dani Gyapsuche. You got it? This is important, this point, okay? So, many people doing, why? If you have this thought, your refuge becomes very powerful. Very powerful. Why? Why powerful? You do, I want to liberate for samsara. I will become enlightened. You say directly, it's not working. So I want to liberate, I want to enlighten for my family, for all sentient beings. So how many beings here in samsara? Countless. From each sentient beings, one positive you get, because you think for all of them. Understood now? Oh, no number 1,000, 1 billion, 2 billion, no. No 2 billion, 3 billions. So, no number, no numbers. You see, one small animal's dead, and then there is how many insects? So many. So you think how much? No numbers. So all sentient beings means your object of the motivation, all them. Dani want to be liberated for all for them. Then your refuge so powerful, because merit. Wow. All sentient beings means these people, all these people, animals, they have clear light. How to say? The selva, clearness. That is the seed of the Buddha. All sentient beings have seed of the Buddha. So, so that's the, okay. No words. So very powerful. So this is chanting, no? This is chanting. So meditation, 2 motivation. The object is only Buddha, because Buddha, Dharma, Sangha, there is object, and you imagine only Buddha. Okay, so Buddha from front of you is not very far, not very near. If you do prostration, can do. So that kind of limit. Space, distance. If you want to do prostration, there's space, and there's Buddha. Okay, so think Buddha there. And then can be size, maybe thumbs or your size or whatever. So what you want to think there. And then imagine. So this is object. So motivation for all sentient beings need to liberate. You know, Buddhism, Mahayana, Theravada way is cause of the refuge is two things. One is fear from suffering, lower realm, and then believe to Buddha Dharma. So these two things. The Mahayana more compassion for all of them. Me, all. So these two conditions, two, the cause of truth. Believe to Buddha Dharma Sangha and fear from lower realms suffering, and me and all other. All other. That is compassion. Compassion. With these three causes. Then do matter, to focus. Position. Bhairocana position is important. Position is who can do, have to be do. If something problems, better, whatever you like, So some Lama say, the position, Gyuto, what I call Gyuto, Dorji Gyuto, Vajra position, like this. It can be, but for us difficult. So Tibetan monks like this. So like you sit now, it's okay. Or Tara position. Tara position, left inside, right outside, a little bit open. No? So it's easy. So then this Bhairocana. Bhairocana, we have 5 Buddha. We have 5 aggregates. And when we become Buddha, these 5 aggregates become 5 Jnani Buddha. Bhairocana, Rana Sambhava, and what called Amitabha, and Amoghasiddhi, and Ashovya. These 5. So our body becoming Bhairocana. You see, Bhairocana. Body becoming Bhairocana. So therefore, Bhairocana position, right now, we have to start, and then easy to near. So this Vajra, this Vajra, Dorji Gyuto. Dorji Gyuto, very meaningful. Now, in the Sutra time, okay, without position, okay, but we do now, in the Tantric, when you arrive Tantric level, Tantric 2 levels, and self-generation and accomplishment, right? So these 2 things. When you accomplishment is necessary, definitely you have to be positioned that time. So when we have preparation from now, and then that time is everything easy, and then very quick. So therefore, we have to be positioned, Vajra position, and then, this is how to call wisdom, and this is a method, and then 2 bodhicittas together here. So this is sutra explanation, bodhicitta. So Tantric way, here is tumo. Tumo means heat, in the Dzogrim. So this point is very important. So we do today here, and then when we arrive there, and that point easily we can find. So therefore, then our how to go back. Here is four finger, need very correct here, and everything correct. Forefinger is control loose, then go. You check there, Check here need. Yes. In your spine. Here spine. Forefinger you keep like this, and then your body correct. So body correct, state, and then inside channel state. When channel state, wind is correct. When wind correct, and then your meditation clear. Because wind, mind, they always working together. So therefore meditation clear. Then also some books or someone is teaching for meditation, eyes open, someone say close. No. When you open, it's difficult. 1 hour open, then not. Still, no like that. Very light, And your eyes ball, if you look and can see your top of the nose. From here is one drop something, and then can be here is the novel. How to call? Navy. Arrive here. Navel. Because when you do this position, in future, it's Dzogrim, it's 3 top of point. Meditation have one object, 3 point there. So one is here, one is navel there. So that time, and you easily, and today, be like this. You see? And then, no touch, no very open, just live like this, like shoulder like a lion. Because my English sometimes, I'm living in Italy, Sometimes, Italian language and my English is mixed. So that is problem. Okay, like this. And then, top of the jeep, how to say? Tongue. Okay, and the touch. Up. Just touch. No very strongly like that. Then teeth normal, lip normal, lip normal. This kind of. Then focus to object. Object is Buddha image. So, then you can say, Buddha, I love you. Yeah, I like you. Yeah, that's nice. Normal. Buddha, I love you. Then, same time, I want to be like you. I want to be like you. So, Buddha, when you think Buddha, then I like you. I like you. I love you. Buddha, I love you is not correct. Buddha, I like you is correct. Love means make other happy. So we cannot, difficult to make happy or no. So, Buddha can make or no? Yes. Something we do good, the Buddha happy. No? So I love Buddha, okay. I like means I like cappuccino. Correct, okay. I love cappuccino. No. Cappuccino cannot make happy. Right? So I love. Love means make other happy. This is love. No. So I love my mother. That's perfect. I love my family. Perfect. No. So I like my house. Okay. I love my house. House cannot make happy. So this is a little different. This is okay. Anyway, to Buddha. Because Buddha, for Buddha, object of Buddha, then someone get angry or no? I'm asking to you. Someone see Buddha, And then people can get from Buddha anger, attachment, jealousy, you think or no? From Buddha. Yes, normal beings, of course, yes. Oh, attachment, anger, everything, no jealousy. This is yes. For Buddha, so this happened or no? What do you think? No. Because Buddha who see Pongna Mitunba Meva.
What the Buddha sees is not incompatible with what is there.
So when we, okay, no need more. So anyway, Buddha is uncontaminated phenomena. Okay, we called early Buddha uncontaminated phenomena. Dharma uncontaminated phenomena. That Sangha, real what called ultimate Sangha, no? That Sangha is uncontaminated phenomena. So uncontaminated phenomena means no one get attachment, anger, jealousy, no one. So these things is a delusion, delusion. Who get delusion, that is a contaminated phenomena. So uncontaminated means no attachment, no anger, no jealousy. So therefore, for Buddha, someone get attachment? No. Dharma? No. Buddha? No. Sangha? No. Because they are uncontaminated phenomena. And these things contaminate phenomena. So this is different. Contaminate phenomena, then attachment, anger, everything. So therefore, whatever you put Buddha, then focus. With focus, sometimes loss, and then you again try to focus. Sometimes you make small Buddha bigger, and someone you make bigger one small. Okay, someone come to you, someone to, so is whatever you want can make, Then after, and then focus. Beginning, if your mind is not there, you make something. Sometimes only Buddha eyes or his nose over one part you imagine. And then after. Point is, our mind have to be familiar. Slowly, and then you learn 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, every day 5 minutes, 5 minutes, do. Then after a few days, and you already your mind with the Buddha familiar. So automatically your mind is clear there. Can stay there. So focus. This focus have 9 levels. This called samadhi. Shine. I don't know Shine how to say. Kalma biting. So, and we are immediately difficult, but we are now is just looking for object of the refuge practice. No kalma biting for continue, not going to all this. But now we familiar see, and then when we have time, we can stay more. And then one day, becoming kalma biting. So that is. Oh no. No much time. I want to, in Varanasi, in India, one guy, why I'm talking this story, because without explanation, without teaching, and someone, I do meditation, you do meditation, that is not working. For example, one in India, okay, in India, in Varanasi, very ancient time, is having one market, big market. Then one guy selling to pork, meat, pork. So there is a Ganga river, okay. His house, the another place. So early morning have to be cross the river, Ganga river. So his one guy selling meat, the meat, yeah, pork, yeah, selling pork kill and then selling. So his wife is very, very strong, shouting or something, no? So then one day he think, okay, today is big people there, big vegetable, so I need. So he have bought one small one, put many pig together. So it's too heavy. So all gone for Ganga river. So nothing left for him. Then he alone there. So if he go back home, shouting, you know, Sabunsar is shouting, his wife. So what he do now? Nothing. So, and he left home, go. He went, then in arrived forest, there is Hinayana meditators, one group of the monk. And then he shaking, worried too much, you know, and they peaceful doing. Then no one talking to him. Then he was thinking, okay, I do. So he do meditate. Then he nothing thinking, he did meditation. And slowly he will arrive this nothingness. And then he arrived more sume ngoishe, formless.
Formless, the actual state.
Yes.
The actual state of form.
Then he passed, he died, he rebirth there. So aeons live, nothingness there. Then this energy finish, karma finish, and he rebirth India. Time of Buddha. And this boy called Lamchung, you in the Lamrim, this story have Lamchen and Lamchung, two boy. One become is good teacher, another is completely cuckoo, nothing. Nothing. So, you know, to go there, teach Om. First his teacher teach Om Bu. When he remember Om, then Bu forget. When he Bu learn, Om forget. You know, one teacher, two teacher, three teacher, all teacher is left. Even his brother tired. Then finally get Buddha. Then Buddha give chance. Okay, you come to give monastery monks to clean shoes. Then he beginning monks, you know, shoes clean. Then after a house clean. Then after he become high realization. So why he nothing, you know, all this stupid? Why? Because he meditation wrong. Very beginning. Without any introduction, and he did. So that way, to do meditate, need introduction. Without introduction, not working. It's a mistake, you know, going mistake. So therefore, focus to Buddha, then you say, you know, Buddha, then think Buddha quality. So with time now, I have so many stories here. Think Buddha, body quality, mind quality, and speech quality. Body quality. Time of the Buddha in India have one king, and he have one daughter. And that daughter is completely ugly. Very, very ugly. Like skin completely like what called beba kare.
Oh, like a frog.
Frog. So cannot go out. Then as king have power, no? So one minister tell, and his one minister and his wife, he give his wife. So minister, that is no choice have to be, no? Then every day they going meeting or dinner, party. So all minister going with the wife. So this guy, he going alone because he cannot go out. So all the time at home. And then one day they think, oh, his wife, he always coming or meeting or dinner or party, whatever, he alone coming. Maybe, or his wife so beauty or so ugly. So today we have to check. So he drank, give many alcohol, and he drank, and he took they took the key, and then come to see home. And that time, that lady Dorjema, her name, and she very sad that time. All the minister wives going with the husband, and I cannot go out. So what is my bad karma? So bad karma. So he heard many story of the Buddha. So maybe Buddha can help me. So she meditated Buddha. She meditated Buddha that evening. And then when she meditated Buddha, front of her, Buddha come out. Buddha head come out, and complete her head skin change, and half change. Full Buddha come up, and complete change. So very, very beautiful. Then the other ministers open door. She is beautiful. What they thought? True. How possible to this kind of a beauty? How possible to bring out? No possible. So that is where come from this energy quality, Buddha body quality, body energy. You see? So you meditate Buddha. So we are. That is the body quality. Then mind quality. So one Buddha's qualities you know, and automatically you love, you like. I want to become Buddha. It's a Buddha. Automatically come. Everything come automatically. Buddha. Yeah, when you remember Buddha, then meditate. After that, few minutes you meditate, then after that, then you think, okay, I want to become like you for all sentient beings. That is bodhicitta. I want to become like you for my family. Early we talk family problem, no? Okay. Our big family, all sentient beings, our samsara beings. Samsara is our home. So, all my family, I want to become like you for all sentient beings. Then that is bodhicitta. So, Buddha so happy. Buddha so happy that moment, because for so many lives, we never thinking, only thinking, looking for ourselves, not thinking for other. So Buddha no happy. And today, and we are thinking for all sentient beings. That is Buddha wish. So Buddha happy. You see, one mother is very nice, attractive boy, and then every day I need, selfish fully. Then mother no happy. Then one day say, oh, I want to be all my friend or something, something open to met mother wish, and of course mother going to happy, no? So going to be his birthday, going to be very nice gift. Similar, and Buddha going to want gift to us, you know. So what he give? Buddha himself to come our crown, okay, dissolve in our heart. And then light come, and your mind and Buddha mind, your body, Buddha body, your speech, Buddha mix. To put water to water drop, water, another water drop, cannot separate there, cannot distinguish. So therefore, exactly same. So Buddha dissolve, you must think, I'm become Buddha. And little bit you keep proud. So this proud, not negative proud. This is a positive proud. You know, you become Buddha, I am Buddha. It's we call name proud, but it's not negative proud. Negative proud coming from selfish. And this is not coming from selfish. Okay, this is coming from bodhicitta. So therefore, I am Buddha. And this is one energy get for future we become Buddha. Or entering for tantric is one energy we get. Same time, you think Buddha mind, one, you know, you are Buddha. In your heart, one letter Hum. And a rice, 6 rice of light. One for hungry, word called hell realm, one for hungry god realm, one for animal realm, one for human being realm, one for semi-D realm, semi-D, no? One for devas. So 6 realms. Solve all those problems. You know, imagine can do everything, no? So do what they want, you know? With imagine you can do everything. Very free, yeah? Right? Okay. So you send this rice light to all 6 realms. You know, for example, hell realm, very hot. And then your light become cloud. And then that cloud give big rain. And then all these fires purified, dissolve. How to say? Destroy. Distinguish. All gone. So everything become like beautiful garden, pure light. They become Buddha. You know, all 6 realms, all sentient beings. From hell realm to top of samsara. Called Sitse, top of samsara, yeah? Until there. All sentient beings become Shakyamuni Buddha like Buddha become. Then all those Buddha to come to you dissolve. Then, so this is meditation. It's very powerful meditation, this. Then after that, this is just meditation, not real. Not real. Have to be real. This is a meditation, not real. Have to be real. So, and real how possible? So, first, need equanimity mind, tangyum. Yeah, for equanimity. Equanimity. So you must think equanimity. I think I live here now. So question, 2, 3 questions I take. Someone? Then with this meditation, and you recite, Oh Namo Guru Be, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghaya, or Om Muni Muni Ma Muni Soha. Whatever you want to recite, is recite. After recite, then do meditation. Try to 5 minutes. 5 minutes, no longer, no, short time. You do short time, then want to do next. You do long, then tired, you don't want to do next. That is point. Yeah. Yes.
I'd like to clarify. Buddha Shakyamuni dissolve into you in the golden light. Up here,
Mm.
there's a home. What is the color of the home?
Color. Like same with Shakyamuni, you must think. Yeah.
Gold.
Yeah, gold. Yeah, yeah, enlightened gold. But no need to, you don't think like material. All this is enlightened being. Okay, like rainbow, like, its nature is very pure nature. No, don't think material. That is power. So, I told you before beginning, I tell you ain't. Okay. Then when our mind and Shakyamuni Buddha mix, right? When we die, and Shakyamuni Buddha, where going? His pure land. Or going, never going hell realm, never going to animal realms. So our mind and Buddha Shakyamuni mix. So what he going, we going there. So that is hope. That is hope. When you die time, remember Buddha, those people, no one go lower realm. No one. Here is many, I have stories, but to no time finish. So, yeah, time finish. So, that's it. Tell me.
And any other questions? Okay, yeah.
Okay. Do it.
Just now you talk about when we take refuge, you use the word "I take refuge."
Yeah.
So is it better that if I were to use the word "we take refuge," because that would mean I will cut off my ego, and it represents all of us.
Yeah.
Instead of using "I," the wording I put it as "we take refuge."
Jesus. 장마 념도 점주치뒤 상만념도 상만념도 섬당 랑게 타고라 배심진 탐지 이어버체네 상만념도 다 전주sem께디 에네 상만념도 상기와 쇼스물란제는 리드기래 전주sem데 숨이요래 투지지들 초지도부 직제 되는 가래 녀버도부 직제 개보도부 숨제 다 랑루라 되는 개보도부티 디 가르치고서는 오늘 랑산제 애니 헬 펜도체도로와 어디리 디송자 전주심 geb디 sem진 탐지기 체도 당한 요구상 계국도 세들이 뭐도 점도 제대 념도 채우래
칸에 we.
오케이. 전주 바르도 위. 다 미과 개치기리. 칸에 개첨부 개말이. 칸을 야디 타기 최던 류기 최디 샤는 저야로와. 샘기 최디 념도 저거로와. 데 샘디 개치야리. 칸에 라버디 개첨부 말이. 야.
So, what you say at that point is not so important. And the reason for that is because the body and the speech we leave behind. The important thing is what you're thinking when you're going for refuge. And what you think when you go for refuge is that we all go for refuge. And at that time, you have this visualization that you are surrounded by all types of sentient beings, and whatever you're doing, they are, going along with you. So we're all going together for refuge. So for refuge, the understanding is that we're doing it all together simultaneously. When we generate bodhicitta, there are actually three ways of generating bodhicitta. One is like a shepherd. The other one is like the captain. And the third one is like the king. And in the Mahayana, the mode of generating bodhicitta is like the king, like first I will do it, and then I will lead, I will help everyone come along. So in terms of bodhicitta, it doesn't happen simultaneously. We don't do it all together, but refuge, we do it all together. It doesn't matter if you say, I go for refuge or we go for refuge, because you're always thinking, I'm surrounded all together. We go for refuge.
Yine dang ni siala yang kwaji yore. Ngadi tenje ta tanang zo tenje chamu kunzup tikyube ngaji rashini mo tube nga tenje chiksam khorgi na ni siade ko garta segwa garta su mixe gi darwa ni siade mixe khalasana da ni kyapsu che su tanda ngadi rashin tube dag ma yimba che ene tenje yumazam ngazam Tokpe takzam kinga, tik jogoro sang jigoro, disor. Ni siala ya gueba yore. Yeah.
In the Tibetan, it says Dagni. So we don't necessarily translate it in English, but there are two words. Is like exactly me, myself. I go for refuge. Okay. So it's not just I go for refuge, it's just me, exactly me, I go for refuge. And there is specific meaning in that added word. The added word implies that we understand the subtle interdependence, the most subtle level of interdependence. So when you say I go for refuge, you are referring to the merely imputed I. So just the mere I is the one that will continue all the way to enlightenment. And that merely imputed I, this is the one, that's the I, just the mere I is going for refuge.
Yep. Okay, thank you. Daso chi ni sabe gewan di tendang zhuo kun la kang ben tang kebara ji sun lo san chab tenbe nyingbo ring do sa je sho kang ri ra we ko we shin kam de pendang dewa ma lu jo we je re se wang tenzin ya zo yi sha be si de ba do ten ju ji chan ju sim jo Rinpoche ma je ba na ge ge ji ge wa nya ba me khone gong do pe wa ra sho ten ba la na me be ten ba ten ja wan din da la me tin yin be ge wan di yang zhuo ma lu shin yin dang ban zin be ju ro. Thank you.